Hello everybody, this is Crazy Crafter 8 here, and I'm gonna do a tutorial and instruction video on the new Minecraft launcher. First off, the new launcher is a little bit tricky to understand, and for everybody's purpose, I am actually gonna do this: %app data %, and I've made a backup, so you're gonna delete everything. Yes, I am. Bam, it's gone. It's in the trash bin. What I'm doing now is I'm gonna rerun the Minecraft, and you can get the new Minecraft launcher at Minecraft.net. Okay, so boom, this is it, our new Minecraft launcher. Um, I'm gonna be showing you how to install mods and all that good candy stuff. What we're waiting for is this to load and for this to be installed. It is currently, right now, if you can see, it gives you update notes and development console. This development console tells you exactly what's going on. If you go in a multiplayer server or any kind of that, it's going to display all the chat, all that information that's going to be needed. So what we're waiting for is for this to download and finish. uh, Once this gets downloaded and finished, I'll go to the roaming folder and show you the new changes. While this waits, I'm going to show you the profile selection. Here you're going to be able to make new profiles, edit the profiles, and this is going to become very important. So just stay with me right now. Alright, everything got finished downloading. So first off, if you don't know how to go to the roaming folder and you're new to this, if you're running Windows PC, click Start, and in the search box type in %appdata app data. Hit enter. This brings up your roaming folder, and inside that folder you're gonna see .minecraft. Double click Minecraft open, and you'll notice everything is in here now. Everything's changed. A lot of it's changed. You're gonna have versions. This folder's empty, of course, because we've not installed a version yet, and this is how they're gonna be represented now. So I'm gonna close this for right now, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna create a new profile. I'm gonna call this profile um, I don't know, 1.6. Alright, you can name it anything you want, it doesn't matter. And I'm going to tell it use latest version. Okay, hit save profile. And if I go to 1.6, or if I go to default, let's just use default right now. Zoom, let me update, put that in. This will log me in, and what it will do is it will download the 1.6.1 version of Minecraft, and once it gets finished downloading, it will launch Minecraft for you. And see, there we go. We have Minecraft 1.6.1. We can quit the game. Now, will be installed. We have to log into this profile too, the new one that I made. Alright, new profile made, quit game. Now, I'm going to also show you something. We're going to create a new profile. Before I show you this, I want everybody to open their roaming folder. Open that and go to your Minecraft folder. In here, you're going to notice a lot of new stuff that it downloaded. It's got versions here. It's got saves there. Notice that in your old launcher, it used to have bin. It's gone now. Here we have versions. Now, notice that when I showed you versions was empty. we have 1.6.1, and it downloaded that. This folder means we have the launcher active and it's up. So if I close this, this folder will go away when I go back in it. But okay, let's just minimize our .minecraft really quick folder, and let's create a new profile, and let's label this new profile 1.5.1. okay, ethers 2. I'm gonna label it that, because in 1.5.1 I'm going to get more in detail with that. When you do that and you want to be using 1.5.1, you go here, use version release 1.5.1, and then you're going to save the file. You're going to save this profile. Now go back to your profile selection. You'll notice 1.5.1 ethers 2. Click it. Now you're gonna have to log back in, because it's a new profile you created. Any new profile you make, you'll have to log in, and you can tell it to log in automatically. So when you switch between profiles, it'll automatically log you in. Now this is downloading. You can see the green bar status. It's downloading the 1.5.1 version. It's going to load the Minecraft launcher. There it is. Alright. Now you're asking, well, I want to play Ethers with a new launcher. Perfect, that's fine. However, you're going to need to do a little bit of work. So, if we go back to versions in your .minecraft folder and open that, it created 1.5.1. And if we double click that open, we're going to see a JSON file and a jar file. This is important. Okay, let's start with 1.6.1. okay, for this I'm going to close out the launcher, and in here I'm going to double click 1.6.1, and I'm going to show you how to do the installation for this for mods. We're going to copy these two files, and then we're going to go back to versions folder. In the same folder, right click, put new folder. Make this whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it mods for 1.6. okay, now open the new folder that you created or whatever you named it, and open that folder, and in that folder paste those two, that jar and that JSON file, and they have to be for that version of whatever you're going to be using. Now you're going to have to rename these files to whatever you named your folder. So name them whatever you named them. I named mine mods for 1.6. And I'm going to go to my JSON file. I'm going to name that too, mods for 1.6. Great. One more thing. Double click open, or open JSON, your JSON file with Notepad. You'll see ID 1.6.1. Highlight the 1.6.1 and type in your folder name, mods for 1.6, and then save it just like that. One more thing, do not put spacing in your folder name or anything. It cannot have any spacing. Once you've done that, we're gonna go to a website and get a mod. We're gonna need a mod loader and a mod. I'm gonna have this link in the description box. You're gonna go here for 1.6 mod. You're gonna scroll down. Here's the mod loader for 1.6.1. I'm gonna download direct just to save a little bit of time. Waiting for this to load. Oh, there we go. I'm going to save that, and I saved mine to desktop. And click back really quick. And then, while I'm at it, let me get the sign tag. Okay, let me download direct. Save signs to tag. This is so I can show you that it works. So that you know it's working and everything. Alright. While you're in here, you're gonna back in your mod or your versions in whatever folder you created. Like I'm in my mods for 1.6. We're gonna open the jar folder file with WinRAR. You can use 7-zip, but I prefer WinRAR. I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna open my mod loader, and then I'm gonna go in here in my jar file archive or whatever, and I'm going to delete meta-inf. Let's delete that. And then I'm going to get my mod loader, and I'm going to throw that in there, and I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to close my mod loader, and I will close that, and I will pull back this up. And then I'm going to load my Minecraft launcher really quick. Okay, I'm going to click my profile 1.6, and now I'm going to hit edit. Okay, I'm going to hit go to use version, use latest. That new folder that we created called it's going to be called release mods for 1.6. The release will always be tagged on there no matter what, but this is the one you want, mods for 1.6. So we're going to click that, and we're going to hit save profile to that, and that's going to save it to the 1.6. And then if I hit is up to date, I don't know why it's going to make me play offline, but everything loaded up just fine and dandy. Once it loads up and you get it loaded, go back to your folder that you created for your mods for 1.6. You'll notice that it downloaded a mods folder inside here. That's where you'll put certain types of mods into that folder. Sign tags, you actually directly, I believe, put into the mods folder, into your jar folder. Just gonna make a backup just in case, I'm pretty sure. And then you click that, WinRAR, and here's sign tags, and oh come on, drag and drop that and hit OK, and I'll close that, and I'll close that. I'll minimize that, and then I'll run launcher again. Hit play. Single player, I'll create a new world. Signs mod test. Okay, I'll go to creative. I want super flat. Let it convert, let it build the terrain. Boom. Okay, here we go. I want a sign. And what the sign mod does is when you put this down, I can put in time, and it'll display. And see, that's how you know it's working. Let me maximize that. Well, that's how I know the mod is perfectly working. certain mods you will put into that mods folder for 1.6 that you created. But that's it. See, and that's pretty much what it does. Okay, that's for 1.6.1. I'm gonna quit that. I'm gonna pull this back up, and it's running. It's running. It's running. Now I want to make another profile. Here's the 1.5.1 ether one. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do ethers for 1.5.1. Let's just create a new folder, because this will be different from 1.6.1, because it will not create a mods folder in the new folder there that we're now making. So here we go. Let's just call this ethers 2. Okay. I'm gonna double click this open. See, nothing in there. We gotta get 1.5.1 because ethers only works for 1.5.1. We're gonna copy these files from the 1.5.1 folder, the jar and the JSON file. We're gonna put them in our ethers 2 file. We'll paste those in there. We're gonna have to rename them the same thing we called our folder, ethers 2. Ethers 2. We gotta open JSON. We gotta take that 1.5 and change it to ethers 2, the same thing we call our folder name, and save it. Okay, once you have that, go ahead and launch up Minecraft, your launcher. Click your profile that you made for 1.5.1 ethers 2. If you haven't done that, just create a new profile and tell it to use version 1.5.1. Keep that in mind. Now click edit, and then we're gonna tell it to use version ethers 2. Okay, see, like that. And we're gonna save the profile, and then we can now close it really quick. What we have to do is you gotta download the ethers installations packs and from the archives from ethers 2. I will put a link in the description box to get that. And the first thing you need to get is the Minecraft Forge 1.5.1, and yes, you have to get that. You're gonna let's open our Forge, and then open our ethers2.jar with WinRAR. Okay, see that? And we need to delete metainf in here too. Go ahead and take that little folder out. We're gonna highlight everything in the Minecraft Forge. Control A, drag drop over into the white, hit OK. Bam, there you go. So far so good, right? Okay, let's close Forge. Let me minimize this. Alright, and let me close this so it doesn't conflict. I'm gonna reload Minecraft since we got Forge in. Since I'm already in my profile, see, select your profile, go to 1.5.1 ethers 2, and doesn't matter, and then hit play. If it says play offline, log out and then relog back in, so the Forge can download the necessary files. It's gonna download all the files, and then it will load up your Minecraft. And you should get this right here, Minecraft with Forge installed. See that? I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna close the Minecraft down, and I'm gonna pull back open my Ethers 2 folder that we made, and I'm gonna reopen that. I'm gonna reopen Ethers 2 jar with WinRAR and put that there, and then I'm gonna bring up my Ethers packs that I need. I gotta get my player render open. Okay, highlight player. Well, player API first. Drag and drop those in. Then you need to get the render player, and this is for 1.5.1 version 2. They all have to be for the same version. If you get the wrong one, you'll get a black screen. Okay, since you have all that done, and although the player render, the player API is in there, and the Minecraft Forge is in there, you can now close the ethers2.jar or whatever you made it. Close it, then go back to .minecraft. Go back here. Go back to your .minecraft. Notice now you have a mods folder that has been created for you. That's because of Forge. Forge did that. Double click that open. Take your whole entire ethers, right click it, copy it, and go ahead and paste it in here. Boom, there you go. And then you can close it. Let's load Minecraft launcher up again. Already in my profile that I want to play for 1.5.1. I'll hit play. Forge will automatically update if it needs to. Boom, there you go. And that's how you do it. There's Ethers 2. Launch menu. And there you go. And that's how you get that. I'll go to single player. I'll create Ethers 2 for 1.5.1. Okay, that's very important. Let's go to creative mode, super flat. Let's let this load. There we go. Okay, let's make the portal to show you that it's, let's see if it's working okay. Okay. One, two, three, four. Okay, one more. And there you have it. That's the Ethers 2 world. That music. Okay. Let's say you have more mods, special mods you want to load on 1.5.1 or 0.2. Let me quit the game. Let me close the launcher. If you have more mods like a this is the one that I saved. Like I have the map, the damage indicator, the craft guide. You know, you would just drag and drop and put those in your .minecraft mod folder in roaming. So I would go to roaming, go to mods, go to roaming, go to .minecraft, double click open mods. There's ethers. So I want damage indicator. Okay, drag drop. I want the map, drag drop. Let's redo that. Let me just make copies of all what I want. Okay, I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna hit paste. And then I'll close that because it's where I kept my copies from. And I'll reload Minecraft. I'm in my same 1.5.1 profile. I'll hit play. It'll load everything, and hopefully everything's gonna load up just fine. If not, we'll get an error and then I'll delete this video. Okay, everything's working just fine so far. So what we'll do is go to Ethers and I'll create a new world, and I'm gonna make it survival just to make sure everything's working. We'll know it's working because it should show me my map indicator and everything. Up there it is in the top right corner. Everything is working. I gotta get the new mod for damage indicator. But yeah. If I could just get something to show you that the damage indicator is working. And here is zombie. There he is. You can see the top left corner. He's taking damage. He's dying. But yeah, that's pretty much how it goes, and that's how you install it. Same concept for version 1.5.2. Now, I really don't have anything a mod for .2. That's why I'm doing it here. But if you have something, it's gonna be the exact same way. It's no different. So I really do hope that this helped you. This tutorial and installation helped you. Any questions, leave a comment or send me a message. I do appreciate you watching, and you all have a great day.